PUBG Lite crash problem. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix PUBG Lite crash problem. So let's get started. The first step is ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Or lower graphics settings, lower the in-game graphics setting to reduce the strain on your system. Lower settings can help improve stability and reduce crashes. Third, verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This can help ensure that no files are corrupted or missing. Or you can close background application, close any unnecessary background applications and processes that may be consuming system resources. This include web browsers, software updaters, and other non-essential programs. Or you can check for overheating, monitor your CPU and GPU temperature using software like HW Monitor. If temperatures are too high, ensure that your PC is adequately cooled and consider cleaning dust from your system's fans and heat sinks. Update Windows and drivers by making sure your operating system is up to date with the latest updates from Microsoft. Also ensure that your cheapest drivers and other system drivers are updated. So that's all. That's how you can fix PUBG Lite crash problem.